What's up guys, it's Linaxn here, and today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your YouTube channel name. Now you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and with that out of the way, let's get into this. Alright guys, so what you're going to need to do is you're going to go on over to your YouTube dashboard. Then you want to go on ahead and click on your YouTube logo over here. Click on this, go on over to where it says YouTube Studio. Click on the settings down here, go to channel, and then you want to go on ahead and go to this Google link that you have right here. And over here guys is where you can edit your name. Now what you're seeing right now is actually my personal account. So I'm not going to go on ahead and change the name of the personal account, but just know one thing. If you change your first name but you don't have a last name, it'll just go on ahead and accept it. But in order to change your brand account, all you have to do is click on the icon over here, and here it will display all of your Google accounts or your brand accounts for your channel. So in this case, I want to change my YouTube channel name that I'm currently using, so I'm just going to click on this one. I will go on ahead and just delete this. And then I'm just going to type in my new name. Oh, holy crap. I am horrible at spelling. Well, more like typing, but yeah. Here you go, guys. I'm just going to hit save. And now if I head on back to my YouTube channel, it will show my new name. And yeah, guys, that's basically it for this tutorial. If you want to see some more tutorials, like again, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.